So it's the dreaded wash day and your hair is looking a mess. But unfortunately, you're out of shampoo. What are you gonna do now? Guys, this is exactly what happened to me on my last wash day, but it gave me the opportunity to do a do-it-yourself black soap shampoo. So let's hop right into it. For this shampoo, you're gonna need the black soap, a jar, you're gonna need some oils, a container to put the shampoo in when it's finished, and some hot water. We're gonna start off by cutting the black soap. The smaller the particles, the easier it will be for the soap to melt in the hot water. So you wanna get it as fine as possible. Here's how it looked after I finished cutting the black soap. I think I used about a quarter of it and it was definitely enough for my hair. Now we want to just put all of the black soap shavings into that jar and pour over the hot water. The more hot water you put into it, the more shampoo that you will get. The less hot water, the less shampoo. Then you're gonna put over your oil, probably like a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of oil. I just have a mixture of castor, tea tree, olive, whatever oil you want to put in is fine. And off the whim, I decided to put some aloe vera juice inside. Then you're gonna give it a stir to make sure that everything is well combined inside and let it sit for like 2-3 hours. It doesn't take that long for everything to come together. Here is my results after I let it sit for about 2 hours. It has the consistency of jello and I was kind of offset by it, but I was pleased when I saw what it did to my hair. So let's talk about the benefits of black soap. Black soap has many health benefits for the skin and it is made up of only natural ingredients such as cocoa pod ash, plantain peel ash, camwood, palm oil, and water. It has different benefits such as dealing with eczema. It helps to get rid of oily skin. It is really good on sensitive skin and it also helps to treat fungal infections. Guys, the look on his face is just priceless. But for experimental purposes, I needed his help. So I volunteered my boyfriend to be the first person to use the shampoo because I needed a different opinion on how it really felt when it's in your hair and after it's washed out. The nozzle wasn't really working for me, so I needed to open it and get out all of that goodness inside. What I noticed right off the bat is that it takes a good amount of the shampoo to get the lather. So if you have really thick hair, then you will need to use a couple handfuls of this. This is my final results, guys. I love this shampoo. My hair feels moisturized, it feels clean, it doesn't have that stripping feeling. So we both gave it our thumbs up. We both really loved how it came out of her hair and there was a little shedding, and I did not even detangle my hair before trying it, so I was impressed. I definitely recommend it to you guys. Trust me, you will not be disappointed. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Until next time, guys. Bye.
Yeah, 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 yeah. You are walking trophy. Girl, you are walking trophy. You are walking trophy. My girl, you are walking trophy.